Welcome to the podcasting setup tutorial led by the Flannery O'Connor Institute for the Humanities. Step 1 is to remove all the parts of the podcasting unit from the case. You'll want to ensure that the Podtrak is flat on the table for the best audio and recording results. Step 2 is to plug it into an outlet or check that the batteries are installed, and then turn the power switch to on. Step 3. Secure the mounting arm to the table and insert the mounting arm into the clamp. To secure the mounting arm to the table, place the clamp around the edge of the table and turn the silver lever counterclockwise to tighten the clamp to the edge of the table. When you insert the mounting arm into the hole at the top of the clamp, note that the mounting arm should swivel and can be adjusted for height. Step 4 is to screw the microphone in place at the top of the mounting arm and plug the cord into the microphone. When you're screwing in the microphone, ensure that it is level with the mounting arm. It can be tricky to get in at times. Plug the cord into the microphone by lining up the holes with the prongs and pressing it in until you hear a click. Do not twist the plug. Step 5 is to connect the microphone cable to the inputs and plug in the headphones. Plug the headphones into the headphone jacks and ensure that they reach everyone. Make sure the sound level on the headphones is low. Note that the inputs are color-coded. Each headphone jack matches a volume button right beneath it. Connect the microphone cable to input 1 by lining up the prongs with the holes and pressing straight down. Do not wiggle or twist the plug. Step 6 is to set up the noise reduction panel. The noise reduction panel may be used if there is a lot of background noise wherever you are recording. Unfold the noise reduction panel and adjust the legs to make it stand up. You can open the panel and situate it around the microphone. Step 7 is to test the microphone input levels. The levels should be hitting near the bottom and should not go too high. Step 8 is to learn the system and all that the buttons do. The set of 9 glowing buttons is going to be your sound effects that you can add in at any point of the recording. You can adjust these volume levels at any time as well. The top right middle button, you'll be able to view your memory on the Podtrak. The sliding knobs at the bottom are going to be your microphone input levels, and these are color-coded to the headphones as well. In the bottom right hand is going to be your recording button, so you press that to start recording, and then you also press it to stop recording as well. Whenever you are finished, you will see it in the top left-hand corner of the screen. You can tap on that at any time to see your recordings. Thank you for tagging along, and I hope that you guys now know how to set up your podcasting units.